Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how I sleep when I snore. When I'm so sleepy, I just want to snore. Let's get right into it. I'm keeping all the lights on because when it gets, it's like really nighttime back here, and I want to keep on the lights because it's gonna get really dark. So let's get started. Where should I put that? Okay, let's get started. That's how when I snore, I wake myself up. This when I'm really sleepy, I snore like this, guys. I sleep like this. So that's all today. Comment down below what video should do next, and subscribe, leave a comment, and click the bell down there, and give it a thumbs up if you like it. Bye.